Okay.
No, no. Okay, start कर.
चलता मरे किती तुमचे किती
बघा सर आज तुमचे थोडे सपोर्टर काँग्रेसीत जॉईन झालं तुम्ही केन्ना जावं
But it is very important for all of us to come on a common platform. BJP कितें केलां आनी BJP सध्या कितें चल्लां तें I think under Dr. Pramod Sawant it is very clear that the government is not able to run administration anywhere. आज गोंया अशें जालां की whether you call it in CM's terms of political tourism or whatever, things are happening in a singular manner with a divisive thought की secular votes फोडचे आणि खंय नाल्यार खंय मॅन्डेट बीजेपीक मेळची म्हणून लास्ट 2.5 म्हयने आय हॅव बीन ट्रायंग माय लेवल बेस्ट टू एन्श्युअर दॅट ऑल लायक मायंडेड पीपल कम टुगेदर वीच आय हॅव बीन वॉयसिंग माय ओपिनियन अबाउट इट मायट बी द नॅशनल पार्टी और इट मायट बी रिजनल फोर्सेस वी हॅव टू बी ऑन वन प्लॅटफॉर्म इफ वी नीड टू गेट दीस पर्टिक्युलर थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ आमचें अस्तित्व सांबाळटलें आमी जें करूंक सोदता गोंया खातीर आनी गोंयचें समज आमी अस्तित्व राखतले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आज एक समविचारी लोक बरोबर येवपाची गरज आसा टुडे इट हॅज बीन अ डे वेर वी आर हार्डली अवे फ्रॉम इलेक्शन्स एंड यू हॅव सो मेनी पार्टीज कमिंग एंड ट्रायंग टू पुट देअर फूट फ्रीबीज जुमलाज आर ऑलरेडी इन द एअर आनी ताज्या खातीर एक स्ट्रॉंग पार्टी which needs to normally take the main role and play the role of getting everybody together is very important today. आज आमचे सपोर्टर इल्ले काँग्रेसीन जॉईन जाल्ले आसात काँग्रेसीन जॉईन जाले so that we are able to get everybody together and ensure that we are strongly able to handle the misgovernance of this particular government. We have been in touch with the Congress party also is in touch with us. Various leaders of the Congress party from central and state have been talking to us and we are also in various talks with them where seriously we need to have the majority formed. ते करता आसतना आमचो रोल कितें आसपा जाय आमी कशे रोल खेळपा जाय एवरीथींग इज बींग आयडेंटिफायड एंड डिफायन्ड सो ताज्या खातीर आज जे आमचे सपोर्टर जॉईन जाल्या इज वन स्टेप अहेड टू प्रूव अ पॉयंट दॅट वी नीड टू हॅव अवर मेजॉरिटी कमिंग थ्रू इन अ प्रॉपर मॅनर ऑफ ऑल कोalition partners coming together on one platform to defeat the present government. 31-32% आशिल्ले तातूंत सध्या इतली भितर झगडी आसा आणि द ऑपोजिशन एट 69% put together is not able to take advantage of it is a pity state of affairs as far as Goa politics is concerned. गोंयकारांक कोणेंच ग्रांटेड घेवचें न्ही गोंयकाराचे विचार कितें आसता गोंयकार कितें करूंक सोदता तें गोंयकारांक खूब पयल्लें आसा ताज्याच खातीर म्हाका दिसता बाब जवाहरलाल नेहरू तेन्ना म्हणिल्लें की गोवा के लोक अजीब है जितले आतां सध्या चल्ल्या in the name of election, I think in days to come we need to show a very serious political stature of the state and a way where we can get a proper mandate. लोकांचे विचार लोकांची कळ ही कळपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेसीनूय खंय नाल्यार खंय एक वाट घेतिल्ली आसा and I think these people all coming together will be the answer to 2022 as far as the politics of 2022 is concerned.
सर तुम्ही केन्ना जॉईन जातले
आमचे आज लोक जॉईन जाले मरे So as we are discussing our things, we are putting things together. The bricks need to come together to make the wall, and we are trying to put the bricks together to make the wall. So Congress आणि आमची उलोवणी चालूच आसा. काँग्रेसीचे लोक have been talking. We have been telling them what is actually the ground reality, what needs to be done, what people expect from a party like Congress, what Congress is doing, and how we need to put things together. So I think in days to come we will come back to you and talk the further plan of action. आज आमचे जे लोक join झाल्या, I think from here the story starts.
It is the end of your tenure you're trying to do. End of your tenure.
No, right now I'm an independent MLA, so till the end of my tenure I cannot join any party. But things cannot wait for joining the any party or whatever. We need to start working. ताज्या खातीर लायक मायंडेडनेस घेवन काँग्रेसी कडेन आमचे लोक जे इल्ले उलयल्या दे हॅव जॉयन काँग्रेस टुडे जे येता त्या दिसांनी आमच्या लोकां कडेन उलयत वी वील टेक द डिसिजन वीच इज द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवा.
वाय ओनली काँग्रेस
सर तुम्ही
वाय ओनली काँग्रेस म्हणजे
फाटी तुम्ही
काँग्रेस
TMC वरांनी उलो
तांचे डिसिजन येयले काँग्रेसीन जॉईन जावपाचें हांव अपक्ष आमदार आमचे लोक समज डिसायड करता की तांकां दे फील दॅट काँग्रेस इज द ऑप्शन फॉर देम देन दॅट इज द ऑप्शन दे हॅव डिसायडेड टुडे एज टायम कम्स वी वील टेक एवरी डिसिजन अलॉंग विथ आवर पीपल सो एज वी गेट थिंग्स गोईंग वी नीड टू एन्श्युअर दॅट काँग्रेस वॉट एवर प्लॅन्स दे हॅव फॉर द स्टेट need to be more defined and definite and definitive. So it might be coalition partners coming together, regional forces coming together, a proper election strategy in place, young and experienced faces, new faces, freshness, all this has been the mantra which we have already asked Congress to work upon. We have a role to play in Bharatiya Janata Party which we will play.
You have not been connected to any political party earlier. Now, then Why is there a fear independent रावताले इजी कॉल सकता? Why you choose to support or you are trying to join a political party?
See, Congress,
Independent and job,
Congress is a national party. Congress has its roots firmly, irrespective of what happens in the center or the state. There are forces like Aam Aadmi Party, TMC, and more parties which are there and want to come in. We need to understand only one thing: is everybody needs to be on a common platform. So somebody decides to go individual on 25 seats, somebody decides to go individual on 10 seats, somebody decides to go individual in 40 seats. These are all breakage of secular votes. This is what I'm trying to say. So divisive votes and voting shouldn't happen in this election. To give mandate to the same government, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आनी गोंयची आमकां उलोवपाची गरज ना. उलयतले, we need to take a stand. Regarding independent or what, I think we are very confident either way. People have been very supportive, and with their blessings we are here today. With your surveys or with the feel of what our people have been telling, it is very clear that whatever decisions we take, we will take in the interest of our people. So independence of Congress in was of याचे तुम्ही options उलयता. आज एक decision आमच्या लोकांनी घेतला की Congress joins on. Let us take the party there ahead and see what we expect from the party as we work ahead. We have been talking to the Congress and communicating to them, and they have also been talking to us. It's a double channel. And as a two-time legislator going into the third elections, I expect the Congress also to move fast, which we have been talking to them. As days come, and much also 10 years of time, we will take the decisions.
So is it people's demand or it is your demand to join people?
Yeah, I think, Kenzil, this type of questions cannot have your people. It is always people's choice.
Okay.
I have been people's choice and I have gone with them. Today when they have come with a particular thing, we have gone ahead with that particular statement. As days come, it is a mutual relation. Then a wall banta, शिमिटूय जाय पडटा, चिरेय जाय पडटा, रेमूय जाय पडटा, उदकूय जाय पडटा, सगळें करून वॉल जाता तो प्लास्टरिंग करून. ताज्या खातीर काँग्रेस आनी आमचे लोक जे भितर सरल्या तो वॉल बांदपाक दोगांची गरज आसा. As how we take steps ahead, that I think our people have taken steps ahead. That same cooperation is expected from the Congress to build as far as Porvorim or Bardez or Tiswadi is concerned, where we have a dominant role to play. There are certain interests which we have told the Congress party, which they need to come together for winnability. If they are not looking at winnability and they have a different context of looking at finalizing candidates, then it's a very different route that they want to take. I think it's time now that Congress starts moving fast, and that is what we expect of them. As far as Porvorim is concerned, we have started the wheels, the machine and engine start मारला. गियरान घालता आमी. गियरान घालता आसतना स्पीड कशी मारपाची, कितें आसा, पेडल कितलो मारपाचो, क्लच कितें करपाचो, हे दोगांच्या पांयांनी हात चलपा जाय. So I expect this thing to happen from both sides, and we expect this to be a healthy relation to build in days to come. So irrespectively of however it is, I would again call upon all the people to come on a common platform. Somebody might be regionalistic or somebody must be nationalistic. Each one has to take a choice of how they want to go depending on people's abilities or people's suggestions to them or advice to them. But choice taken should be on one common platform, not a divided platform.
But common platform should be till elections, or it has to be for the full 5 years?
See, Maharashtra model, many models have started proving themselves. If there is a will, there is a way. And Congress becomes one of the oldest party, and Congress has to take that initiative to get everybody together. एक मॅग्नेट असतकर सगळ्यांक ओडप एक मनशाचें काम आसता. सगळोच मॅग्नेटीक जावंक शकना. सो एक मॅग्नेट समज जाल्यार त्या मॅग्नेटीक ओडपाचें काम जो आसा बाकीच्या लोकांक ते ह्या मॅग्नेटीन करपाक जाय. आनी अपेक्षा आसा की ते करतले म्हणून. You will see a lot of changes from 15th of November. You will see in Bardez Taluka, you will see in Tiswadi Taluka, politics has started. You will find a lot of BJP MLAs on their way out. You will find so many things moving differently. So let us positively look at what we have been talking about. But I am very firm that we need to have a common platform of like-minded people and individuals coming together, mix of experience and freshness. We need very clear, conscious decisions to be taken, and we need to ensure that the interest of Goa is protected.
सर तुम्ही फाटी TMC कुय मेळले त्यांचे कितें उलोवणी घालता?
पळय, TMCचे विचार बेंगलचे आसात. TMCचे विचार हांगा येतले आनी ते आमी लोक गोंयकार घेतले आनी ते कशे घेतले हो प्रश्न आसा. 3 म्हयन्या खातीर येवन एकदम पार्टी आपले अनाउन्समेंट्स करता आणि कितें करूंक सोदता मॅन्डेट नासतना. Didi is a very big leader in West Bengal, and she wanted to have an audience. That respect we have kept by going and meeting her. Importantly is, are we at the hands of Bengal or are we Goans at Goans hands of the Goans? So I think consciously everybody has to decide. पार्टी खूब येतल्यो, 3 म्हयने घेतल्यो, 6 म्हयने घेतल्यो, 1 वर्सा घेतले. कोण सध्या तीर्थयात्रा फुकट करता, कोण लायट फुकट करता, कोण अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट सबसिस्टन्स दिता. शेवटी हे पयशे टॅक्स पेयराचे पयशे आसतात. And every government who comes in has a choice of giving what they feel once they get elected. But if they don't get elected and they mix up these particular things, it is division of votes. So people have to start thinking wisely what is good for them and what is bad for them. Thode candidates, thode ilya party ni je ghalya, which talk about against corruption. You see the type of candidates and people they have taken in their own party. So how do you define a party? How do you define a particular thing? So I think a lot of things in days to come will speak for itself. We are very positive about the way we need to build up Porvorim and the Bardesh Taluka and parts of Tiswari that we know that get like-minded individuals elected. येता त्या दिसांनी 15 नोव्हेंबराच्या मागीर सुद्दां म्हाका दिसता खुबश्यो गजाल्यो बार्देस तालुक्यान ओपन अप जातल्यो त्यो तुका जशें दिसता वी विल वॉक द टॉक.
So any regional party has approached for you?
All parties have been talking to us and we have been also talking to them, but we need to take a call very consciously. Some people have their own doubts and inhibitions. So as आमी जी start केला as an independent, I can say that we have started a journey which I believe has to be mutual to everybody's interest and the interest of Goa.
When you talk about common platform, do you feel also Goa Forward should be a part of this common platform?
Everybody, regional parties are each one, whether MGP comes on understanding or Goa Forward comes as a coalition, everybody has to be together, and that is very important. And I have spoken this to Congress also. Goa Forward being a part of the coalition and the rest of the things being sorted need to be taken on priority, and I believe that everything work is being done in that regard.
So can we ask something else?
Okay.
One incident took place near the Parvari. Tourists have been dropped. You heard about that thing?
Yes. It is very tragic that this type of instances have been happening in the state of Goa, especially आमच्या Porvorim constituency. सुकूर पंचायतीच्या अंडर तो जागो येता. हांवें सुकूर पंचायतीक has just been newly formed, and I have asked the panchayat to actually check who trade license दिल्ले पयल्या पंचायतीन कितें केल्लें तें मातशें काड म्हूण भानगडी. This type of things will not be tolerated. I have spoken to the police also, and I expect that firm action will be taken. Oh, this is a very strong message that needs to be given by the Goa government. Law and order सध्या सगळ्यांत खालत्या पातळाचेर आसा, आनी ताज्या खातीर हे लोकांक गट्स येवंक लागले असले करपाक. कोण आसा, हाच्या फाटल्यान कितें आसा, घर कोणाचें, दिल्लें कोणाक, everything needs to be investigated, and this is the point where the police need to play. The PI of the Porvorim police station, I have always made a charge and allegation that is a puppet of this government. So if this government has interest in this place, the PI will not act, or we will find results in days to come. And I expect the chief minister, also the law minister, to act on this type of things. कित्याक एक वाटेन आमी अतिथी देवो भव म्हणटा आनी सादे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आमी सांबाळूंक शकना जाल्यार आमी गोंयकारांक कितें मेसेज दिवंक सोदता. सीजन आतांच सुरू जालें. सीजन जातकीर ज्या तरेन गोंयांत लोक आयल्या, इट हॅज बिकम यू आर नॉट एबल टू हँडल दिस प्रेशर. वी आर स्टील इन द मंथ ऑफ नोव्हेंबर. डिसेंबर अजून येवना. ट्रॅफिक मॅनेजमेंट हॅज बीन एट इट्स लोवस्ट लेवल टुडे. रस्त्यार पुलीस ना, पूण सगळे व्हीआयपीच्या हातून आसात. व्हीआयपी करप ते 5 दिसांचे यूथ पार्लमेंट आसा, थंय पुलीस आसा, पूण रस्त्यार हायवेचेर ट्रॅफिक मॅनेजमेंट करपाक एक पुलीस ना. अँड माय चार्ज इज व्हेरी क्लियर. दीस गव्हर्मेंट डज नॉट नो वॉट द पीपल ऑफ गोवा नीड. सो आज आमकां म्हापशेच्यान पणजे वतले इज लायक द जर्नी फ्रॉम पेंजीम टू काणकोण. दिस इज बिकम लायक अ 45-1 hour जर्नी. आय थिंक द गव्हर्मेंट नीड्स टू लूक एट इट. कमिंग बॅक टू द पॉयंट तुवें जें सांगलां, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जे जाल्ले आसा इश्यू, भुरग्यांक मारप, तांचे कडल्यान एक्सटॉर्ट करप, आनी ते अंडर द गार्ब ऑफ the spa or wellness center. I think the permission given by the erstwhile panchayat which was linked to BJP, if given or not, to check karpak layla. If given, then that needs to be checked and necessary action needs to be taken by the panchayat. Simultaneously, the people who are involved in this behind the scene also need to be bought. And ते हाडटले काय ना ते आनी इल्ले अशें कळटलें की the PI here is still involved in these settings or he wants to act.